Hi, this is JP down at Nemer Volkswagen again, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this wonderful certified pre-owned 2018 Volkswagen Atlas SEL. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 3.6-liter VR6 engine, an 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission with driver-selectable modes, front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers, and a Class 3 towing hitch. You get lane keeping and departure assist, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert with backup camera and park pilot front and rear parking sensors, blind spot monitor and sensors, power rear liftgate, adaptive cruise control, radio with dual USB input and Bluetooth connectivity, heated leathered seats, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.